Meaning of graybeard.
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 Graybeard. Graybeard is a noun that refers to an older, respected man who was considered wise due to his experience and knowledge. The term is often associated with someone who has spent many years working in a particular field or pursuing a particular hobby, and has developed a reputation for being an authority in their area of expertise. In some cultures, the graybeard is seen as a symbol of wisdom and is given great respect. Overall, graybeard suggests an individual who possesses both age and knowledge, and who has earned admiration and reverence from others.